Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Crystal. Today I'm going to share a simple recipe for stuffed peppers. It's a traditional and popular Chinese dish. It's really fun to make with children and tastes great as well. If you love Chinese food, you should definitely give it a try. Let's get started! Since winter is almost here, it's time for our final pepper harvest. First, we will pick the peppers and put them in a bag. Next, we will wash them carefully, keeping each of them intact. To remove the core, just gently push and pull at the stem ends, and then rinse the inside thoroughly. Now let's make the filling. Add chopped green onion, ginger, and garlic to the ground meat. Then add a splash of cooking wine, soy sauce, a pinch of salt, some sugar, another kind of dark soy sauce, which is mainly used to enhance the flavor and color, ground white pepper, and some cornstarch. Mix it all together until well combined. Once the fillings is ready, we will start stuffing the peppers. You just need to fill each one about 3/4 full. And this is a lot easier to do by hand. Once all the peppers are stuffed, it's time to cook. First, we heat some oil in a pan, and when it's hot, we add the peppers. You will notice the skin start to blister, creating this nice tiger skin look. Now, add half a bowl of water, some oyster sauce, soy sauce, and a little vinegar, and then cover the pan and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes to let the flavors soak in. To finish, mix some cornstarch with water to make a slurry, and then pour it into the pan to thicken the sauce. This step is called making a sauce glaze, which is a common technique in Chinese cooking. Give it a quick stir, and our stuffed peppers are ready to go. They look so tasty and go perfectly with rice. You can also try this method with different fillings if you like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more content on cooking, language tips, or life aboard, make sure to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time!